Today we have a huge selection of fidget sensory toy set. You know, some fidgets, they can all add up. You know, you buy 3, 4 and they want more, they see different colors, it has different features, and eventually, you know, you got a massive box and a whole collection. We're just going to show you what they are. I might not know the name of all of them, but even myself, as a young lad, I used to just fidget all the time and my hands had to do something. And my design teacher told me, put your fingers together like this. This was, you know, many years ago, long before fidgets was invented. And he used to tell me to do this, forward, backwards. So I didn't mess around with pencils and vice and files. It was brilliant. I wish I had this. Here we go. First one. Look at this box. Oh my God. I'm in heaven if I had all this. Here we go. First one, ready? Listen to this. Oh, wow. Bend them, pop, but this is a light one. This is all plastic, so fantastic. And what we got on the other side? Oh, different colors. Okay, this one, different shapes, all different directions. Look at that, and it makes this really satisfying clicking sound, but it's not a sharp click, it's more of a smooth, relaxing click. Look at that. Exercise. Ah, it's so satisfying. When we were young, all we had was bubble wrap. Ah. That is actually creates a, you see that creates a little bit of a breeze. Oh wow, that's fantastic. And this one, obviously being smooth, creates a bit of a more of a wind sound, smooth, quieter breeze. Fantastic. And then obviously we've got, oh, louder. Whoa, yes, much louder pop. Good, let's go. Nice feel. Oh, that's nice. What we got? Little controller, move around. Oh, it's my tiny little controller. That's fantastic. And what we got here? Pops and spins. Move. Excellent. Oh, there's a roller here. It's all about discovering, isn't it? Oh, 2 rollers go opposite ways or same way. How do they get so much into such a little thing? Clever. Ball, catch. Oh, push. I was expecting pop, but these are more. Oh. Push them in, and looks like memory foam or something in there, and it pops back out. And oh yeah, you can even feel it in there. Oh, that's good. Rolling. Fantastic. Ah, also helps stay so it doesn't roll off. Double. Brilliant. What we got here? Ah, fold, fold. Oh, the never-ending folding. How is that possible? Hey, how does that work? It just keeps on going forever. Wow, that is fantastic. Lovely color there. Soft pastel colors. Couldn't say that for a minute. Tongue-tied. Ah, really nice. Good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we haven't even gone halfway through the box yet. Some, oh. Hold there. Oh yes, 4 rings in one. Spin, twist, turn. Awesome. Couple of things here with a marble, lovely texture. So if you know someone who loves fidgets or has got fidgety hands, always has to be doing something, this would make a lovely gift. So lovely citrus colors there. And that feel, that's really strong and well built. Okay. I'll grab these, look similar. Oh, squishy. And so cool to touch. When I say cool, I mean like as in temperature. Oh, wow. Is there more? How much we got? Oh, there's another one there of that one. We got 6 of these. Lovely fluorescent colors. They stretch. Wow. That's really strong, soft, and really stretchy. Brilliant. So you got 6 of those there. Another one of these. So we've got 2 different ones. You can put them in each hand. Squeeze, rub. I bet that feels really nice on your face and your body. Oh. Well, we got another one. Nice and smooth and light. Lovely. A few years ago when these spinners came out, they didn't have the fidget part in them, but they were still satisfying. I used to have a couple and I used to time them, how long I can make it go from one spin. Awesome. Oh, we have a reindeer. That's fantastic. Look at that. Missed. And then flip. Different. Oh, this side is quieter and smoother, and that side is more louder. I don't know how they do it, but that's fantastic. That is really well built. Good strength on the side. Good. Clove. Is it clove? Clover? Let me know what you think, if I said it right, on the comments. Again, what we got? Yeah. So soft. And the other side, a bit more force and louder. See the difference? And then there. That one came back up. Fantastic. Will it stand? Maybe, maybe not. Awesome. I can't believe all this in a box and there's more. What we got here? I have no idea what this is. Oh, check that out. Ever twisting rings. They can never ever stop. That's fantastic and so quiet and smooth. Oh, wow. Listen to that. Brilliant. Nice and cool to touch. Because it's not just about the texture and movement. It's also about the feel, isn't it? What do we do here? Squeeze? Shall we squeeze? Oh, wow. That is so satisfying. Squeeze it and hear the pop. Oh. Brilliant. There's a bit of skill there, because you can't just squeeze anyway. Squeeze. Oh, lovely. Good. That is really thick rubber, so that's going to last you a long time. Nice strength there. Really good. Lovely design, lovely colors. Never seen anything like that before. Now, 2. Oh, wow, there's jelly. Squishy. You know that sticky type of material. I wouldn't recommend you put this near dust or crumbs. But so soft and cool. And you squish. Actually, they're not making the sound. I'm making the sound, guys. Sorry. Just getting carried away. Wait for them together. Hi. Hello. Hi. Oh, look at it. Ooh, gooey. Nice. Okay. Oh, that was clever. Come on, you can do it. Twins at birth. Ah. Alright, I'm not going to put it directly on the table, guys. You guys are going to sit there. Wrapper, something popped out. Last one. And this was at the bottom. Product manual. Stretchy strings, fidget spinners, rainbow, magic cube, monkey strings, balls. Don't know what that is. Marble mesh toys, push pop-up bubble, wacky track, simple dimple, infinity cube, mochi toys, bike chain, flippy bike chain, magic circle. I have no idea what is what, but it's all good fun. Finally, take it anywhere. Carabiner, spring loaded, top quality, nice, feels like aluminium, so it's going to be nice and light. Pineapple pattern design, lovely, nice and light. Oh, that's strong. Oh, nice pop. Soft on this side. How do they do that? It's something to do with that imprint on the inside. Loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft. I'm going crazy. All right. Thank you, guys. Absolutely fantastic, massive. Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. I've lost count. There's too many. I give up. But fantastic set. Thank you so much for watching. If you're into fidgets, let us know which one is your favorite. Love to hear. Which one is your favorite? That'd be a good question. Love that. This is addictive. Okay, let us know which one's your favorite, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.